In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to Access Themes. Then select Themes at the bottom left corner and click on one of those. Tap on one of those options or click on the search bar at the top and type in wherever you want to. Then click on Perfect Theme for you. Select Download. And hit Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by accessing the same settings, clicking on Themes, and this time selecting Menu at the bottom right corner. Now hit My Stuff at the top, click on Default, and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!